Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of Brazil nuts. Beyond their delicious taste and crunchy texture, these nuts hold incredible health secrets that will leave you amazed. In this exciting video, we'll delve into the science-backed wonders of Brazil nuts, exploring how they can supercharge your immune system, support your heart health, and nourish your skin from within. So grab a handful of these nature's treasures, join us on this journey, and let's unlock the mysteries behind the remarkable health benefits of Brazil nuts together. Picture this: a handful of Brazil nuts giving your body all the selenium it needs for the day. This incredible mineral is like a superhero antioxidant, shielding your cells from those pesky free radicals that can cause damage. But that's not all. Selenium is an immune-boosting powerhouse that supports your thyroid function and even keeps your hair and nails looking fabulous. Brazil nuts are a heart-loving treat. These nutrient-packed nuts contain heart-friendly unsaturated fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are known to help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Reducing LDL cholesterol levels is vital for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. When LDL cholesterol builds up in your arteries, it can form plaques, leading to a condition called atherosclerosis. Over time, this can narrow your arteries and restrict blood flow, potentially leading to heart disease and other cardiovascular problems. But wait, there's more. Brazil nuts also contain arginine, an amino acid that plays a role in relaxing and dilating your blood vessels. This dilation helps to improve blood flow, reducing strain on your heart and lowering your risk of high blood pressure. Calling all brainiacs. Brazil nuts are like brain fuel in a nutshell. How? Well, Brazil nuts are packed with an essential mineral that's like a brain-boosting elixir: selenium. This powerful antioxidant plays a key role in supporting cognitive function and brain health. How does it work? Well, selenium is a crucial component of selenoproteins, which are essential for maintaining optimal brain function. Research suggests that selenium may have neuroprotective properties, helping to shield your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. By protecting your brain cells from damage, selenium may contribute to improved memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. Moreover, selenium is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that enable communication between brain cells. This intricate network of neurotransmitters facilitates learning, concentration, and emotional well-being. But that's not all. Brazil nuts also contain other brain-loving nutrients, like vitamin E, which further supports cognitive health and may help protect against age-related cognitive decline. Next time you need a mental boost, munch on these tasty nuts. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Your thyroid, that tiny but mighty butterfly-shaped gland in your neck, is a true mastermind of your metabolism. It orchestrates various functions in your body, like regulating your energy levels, controlling your body temperature, and even influencing your mood. Now, let's meet the thyroid's secret superhero, selenium. Brazil nuts are a treasure trove of this essential mineral. Selenium plays a critical role in the synthesis of thyroid hormones, specifically the conversion of thyroxine, T4, into triiodothyronine, T3, the active form of thyroid hormone. This conversion is vital because it's T3 that fuels your metabolism, ensuring your body functions optimally and you have the energy to tackle your day. Adequate selenium intake is key to maintaining proper thyroid function and a well-balanced metabolism. Brazil nuts have a beauty secret for you. The secret to Brazil nuts' skin-loving prowess lies in their dynamic duo, selenium and vitamin E. These two nutrients work together like a dream team to nourish your skin from within and shield it from environmental stressors. First up, we have selenium, that incredible mineral. As an antioxidant, selenium protects your skin cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, the pesky troublemakers that can damage your skin and contribute to premature aging. Now, let's welcome vitamin E to the stage. This beauty vitamin is like a nurturing friend, working hand in hand with selenium to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Vitamin E not only moisturizes your skin, but also supports its natural barrier function, helping to lock in that coveted moisture and keep your skin supple and soft. Together, selenium and vitamin E promote skin cell regeneration, assisting your skin in healing and recovering from everyday wear and tear. This helps maintain a smooth, clear complexion and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Including just a few Brazil nuts in your daily diet can provide you with a wealth of nutritional benefits and contribute to your overall health and well-being. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.